Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about comparative efficacy of organic and inorganic amendments for cadmium and lead immobilization in contaminated soil under rice wheat cropping system. Yasir Hamid is the lead author. Viewers, field experiments were conducted in 2 consecutive rice wheat cropping seasons on a yellow clay soil to assess the efficacy of organic and inorganic amendments for cadmium CD and lead PB immobilization. Amendments were applied alone and in combination to compare their efficacy for metals immobilization. Composite amendments of GSA4 green stabilizing agent and biochar resulted in higher biomass and grains yield for both rice and wheat. Soil amendments significantly reduced DTPA extractable CD and BP in soil at wheat harvest. Cadmium and BP fractionation showed a significant decrease in the extractable fractions by the amendments of biochar 34% and 25% or GSA4 35% and 26% respectively. GSA4 and biochar amendments enhanced metals immobilization and reduce their uptake by plant and subsequent accumulation in the grains of rice and wheat, particularly with GSA4. The authors concluded that GSA4 and biochar, especially their combination, have great potential for application to remediate CD and BP contaminated soils. Viewers, this article was published in January 2019 in the Journal of Chemosphere. Viewers, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.